Weather Kid tomorrow, same time, same place. Austin Tokar from Norman County West will be making the trip down to help with the weather. We'll see you there. For tonight, boy, what a day. We started out very slippery in the FM area. Some shots of snow, reduced visibility, and a coating of about 2 to 4/10 of an inch here in the FM area before this was all said and done. Yes, it was slippery. Take a look at this across the region. Temperatures in the single digits, some of the coldest weather in the nation. Northern Minnesota, as we started out in the teens below zero. But as we look across the region, we have temperatures warming into the 20s for Bismarck, 30s in Dickinson, and how about 60s in the Black Hills and out in Montana. Huge discrepancy of temperatures across the region, and along this boundary we're seeing some showers of snow kicked off. That's exactly where the showers of snow kicked off overnight. So we have this little boundary between the cold air masses and, well, the beach ball goers out there to the west enjoying some milder weather. Here's what we're dealing with right now, just off to the west of the FM area. Castleton, we're talking down near Kindred and Leonard, seeing some snow showers. Northern Barnes County seeing some as well. Now, if you're heading westbound on Interstate 94, a little bit of slipperiness out there. Not a whole lot of wind. It's generally under 15 miles per hour. And as we look up to the north, Northern Barnes County, it looks like there's some very heavy snow here, but remember, there's that wind farm there. The radar pings off of those high, tall wind towers, making it look like the precipitation is intense. Here's the band of real snow that we're seeing. That's just north of Wimbledon as we look into portions of Griggs County near Hannaford. Now, taking a look at what we have going on out to the west right now, 12 degrees, feels like 2 below. Wind, 12 miles per hour. It is from the north, and yes, as you can see, it's cloudy, but the streets are in much better condition as they were earlier in the day. Give yourself a little extra time. There will still be slippery spots. 10 degrees right now in Grand Forks as we look at temperatures. Already 0 in Roseau, 5 in Bemidji, 12s for Fergus Falls and Detroit Lakes, and temperatures in the teens is all we're mustering down to the southwest, where yesterday is in the mid-20s and even near 30 degrees for our westernmost counties. That 30-degree weather is not too far off to the west. It's in the western Dakotas. As we look at the hour-by-hour forecast, look how quickly, under the clear skies of northwest Minnesota, temperatures fall by tonight at bedtime, down below 0. Now, temperatures in the Red River Valley, including the Fargo-Moorhead area, will also briefly dip down to near 0, maybe just below. But then as we head towards daybreak, we start warming up a little bit. We're going to have light and variable winds. Temperatures as warm as 10 degrees to start your day out west. Temperatures out to the east as cold as 15 to 20 below in isolated locations. Once again, so a chilly start to the day with light wind. As we go through the day, a little bit of sunshine, temperatures warming into that 5 to 10 degree range, almost region-wide, until we get out here where these clouds are. You're going to radiate a little energy, a little heat, and also cause a few flakes of snow. So by midday, not many of us seeing much in the way of snowfall, maybe out to the west. But by the time we're getting off of school, in places like Barnes County, Stutsman County, Dickey, and Lamar County, some snow showers will develop as temperatures approach 20 degrees for you. Teens everywhere else, maybe a few spots in the single digits up there in northwest Minnesota, like Thief River Falls, as well as Black Duck. Now, taking a look here, the snow becomes a little bit more intense and starts to fill the screen down towards Sisseton. Some of it maybe even moderate and accumulating. As we go through the drive time home in the Fargo area, we could see a few flurries. We're talking a trace to maybe an inch for our southwestern counties, Fargo and points south and west, the Devil's Lake Basin and points south and west, and maybe for Ellendale, maybe for Lemoore or Edgeley, and another couple of inches of snow. Here's your hour-by-hour planner for tomorrow. Temperatures rising from the single digits, not too far, to near 20. Wind light and variable throughout the day. Here's a look at temperatures in your hometown. Bemidji, 13, 10 in Roseau, 11 for Langdon, 22 Jamestown. Clouds, clouds, clouds. Best chance of seeing any sun will be off to the far east. And no rainbows in the forecast, but here's a dandy and delightful photo shared by Maureen, Jamestown Rainbow. February rainbows. What does that mean? That means there's some water in the sky up there. Well, we're not going to have any water in the sky with temperatures below freezing the next few days. A few snow showers possible, as we mentioned on Thursday, most of it to the west. Saturday, very, very windy from the south, gusts to 40 miles per hour, maybe more. Sunday, chance of some snow moving in. It will still be breezy early. I think the wind decreases late. Measurable snow leads us into next week, when we'll see temperatures rebounding. How about 30 to 40 degrees? I'm looking forward to that.
You are, huh? That 5 doesn't do it for you?
Who?
The 5 degrees?
You know, I like 5. 5 is not a bad
okay.
number. It's good for things like things that require 5 as a number.
Gotcha.
Okay.
Thanks so much, Hutch.
I'll think of something.
Target